Hello everybody, Sir Beaton here and welcome back to another past paper video. In this video I will be tackling some algebra questions, so let's not waste any more time, let's head straight into it. So this question says, if A is equal to 2, B is equal to negative 3 and C is equal to 4, evaluate, and I have the first one, which is AB minus BC. So I see A would be 2, so this would be 2. I have B, I will put negative 3, so this is 2 multiplied by negative 3. Subtract B, which is negative 3, multiplied by C, which is 4. So let's work it out. So 2 times negative 3 would be a negative 6 minus negative 3 times 4 would be a negative 12. So this is negative 6 minus a negative 12. So this here will turn into a plus. This is negative 6 plus 12. That would give me a positive 6. And that would be my answer for that one. And let's look at number 2, which is B, open bracket, A minus C squared. So I see B would be a negative 3. So this would be a negative 3 multiplied by, and I have in bracket here now A, which is 2, subtract C, which is 4 squared. So I work this out, I'll have a negative 3 multiplied by, so 2 subtract 4, that would just give me a negative 2 squared. So I have now a negative 3 multiplied by, so when I square negative 2, that would give me a positive 4, because negative 2 times negative 2, negative times a negative is a positive. 2 times 2 is 4, and negative 3 times 4 would give me a negative 12. So the answer here is a negative 12. So this one says, solve for x for which x is an element of an integer, x belongs in the element of integers. So I want to solve for x here, so let's go number 1. So it's x plus x, well, x over 2 plus x over 3 is equal to 5. So I want to solve here now. So what I should do, let's try to make these denominators into 1. So I'll find the LCM. So the LCM of 2 and 3 would be 6. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. I multiply that answer there. So 3 times x would be 3x plus 6 divided by 3 would be 2. I multiply that answer there. X times 2 would be 2x, and that is equal to 5. So now I have 3x plus 2x would be 5x over 6 is equal to 5. So 5x will now be equal to, the 6 is divided, I take it over multiply. 5 times 6 is 30. Hence x is equal to, this 5 is multiplying, when I take it over to divide. 30 divided by 5. X is therefore equal to 6. So the value of x is 6. And if I put 6 over 2 plus 6 over 3, let's see if that will give me 5. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So indeed that would give me 5. So the next one says I have 4 minus x is less than or equal to 13. So I want to solve this. So the first thing I'll do, I take over the 4. So this will be negative x is less than or equal to 13. So this is a plus 4. I take it over become a minus 4. So negative x is less than or equal to 13 minus 4 is 9. Well, here's the big step and the step that probably made this question worth 3 marks. So I have a negative x is less than or equal to 9. So what I want to do, I want to take over this negative. So this is like if I have a negative 1. So I'll treat this as a negative 1 to make it easier, make this point easier. So this negative 1 is multiplying. So when I take it over, divide, so I'll have x. So here's the thing, whenever you're at this step and you have to now either multiply or divide by a negative, what you will do to make this inequality true, you will flip it wrong. So instead of less than or equal to, it will become more than or equal to 9 divided by negative 1. Hence x would be greater than or equal to 9 divided by negative 1 would be a negative 9. And that would be my answer for this question. So we just need to be careful with this step. And remember, if at this last step, we have to either multiply or divide by a negative, we flip wrong the inequality. And with that, this has brought me to the end of this video. So I trust that you have a good understanding of how to answer these questions, and I'll see you in future videos in which I'll be tackling some more. So until then, keep practicing and take care.